Hello, welcome to Honey of Knowledge. In this channel, we talk about maths, data science, economics, physics, and everything related to mathematics. So, in this video, we will talk about correlation coefficient, simple correlation coefficient. In a previous video, I have already discussed about the idea of correlation coefficient, but there was a small technical glitch towards the end of that video and I could not edit that portion out. So, I would just give you the formula for correlation coefficient in this particular video so as to have a complete picture of correlation. Let's start the video. For calculating simple correlation coefficient, you need three things. First is your sigma xy, which is your covariance between x and y. And the second thing is your sigma x and sigma y values. Now these values are standard deviations. So essentially this is square root of the variance of x, and this guy over here is square root of the variance of y. So you need covariance between xy, which is sigma xy. You need the square root of variance of x, which is sigma x. You need the square root of variance y, which is sigma y. And then we can move on to the formula for simple correlation coefficient. So, simple correlation coefficient between x and y can be denoted as rho xy, which is equal to sigma xy upon sigma x into sigma y. Now over here, this is a very standard correlation coefficient. Your sigma xy can take population covariance or sample covariance. Your sigma x can take your population standard deviation or sample standard deviation, and same goes for sigma y. If you calculate these values, you will always get the simple correlation coefficient between -1 and +1. You can also prove this using few mathematical inequalities. So with this, simple correlation coefficient video is now complete. So in the earlier video, I had just talked that sigma x and sigma y are variance, but those are not variance, those are standard deviations. I made a mistake in that video, so I wanted to correct that out here. I have tried to edit that portion of the video, but somehow it is not getting edited in the YouTube editor thing. So I just don't want to delete the whole video and shoot it all again. This video comes to an end, and I will continue the video series on econometrics, game theory, and I will add statistics and other topics which I have covered in the postgraduate course at ISI Kolkata. So this Quant economics course series is not over. It will be getting more content in the coming days. So stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed already, do subscribe, right? It doesn't take much of your time. Go below and click the red button. Bye bye.